Okay, here we go. Shooting some stages. Hope you can see. You're fixing to hear some noise. Nevada Sweet pistol, each pistol. Then I'm doing, let's see, 2, 2, 2, and 4 on that last plate. And then 2 knockdown targets and 2 knockdown targets. Alright, here we go. Clean. The timer says 23:24. Not bad for starting out. I missed the holster with one. Range, stage 4. Same sequence. Pistol Nevada Sweep. 2, 2, 2, 4 with the rifle. 2 shotgun, 2 shotgun. Slow it down a bit. I was kind of missed all kinds of crap last time. I think I had 3 misses. Maybe 4 with that shotgun. There we go, a clean stage. The timer says 21:01. 21:01. That might be my fastest ever for a clean stage out here.